How to rename objects. It is very simple. Let's imagine you have a game and you have here a tree. See, there's a leaves and here is a stick. If I click on them, let's say I click on the ball part, we can see that the ball became selected here. If I click on the stick part, we can see this one became selected. However, the problem that we have is that inside of a workspace, if I click on this part or this part, we really cannot tell by looking only this Explorer view. If you don't look the 3D view, if you only look the Explorer view, we really cannot tell which one is which. So the way we can solve it is by renaming them. So if I select this stick part, let's rename it. And the way we can rename is a right mouse click. And here we have rename option. And here now I can type stick. And perhaps the second one, I can rename it into a ball. So that's how you can rename objects in the workspace. And as you can see, now you can just look at your workspace and you can tell immediately what is what. So that's why renaming is useful. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next lesson.